Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable pin code into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after that just simply select this dotted icon from top left corner. Simply select it and choose your profile. Now after selecting your profile, you will get to see this setting of securities. Just simply select security option, and after going into there, you will get this option of pin code at very last. Just simply select pin code, and after that you will get this option of pin code toggle at very last. You just simply have to disable this toggle for pin code toggle and tap to disable, and this way you can very easily disable your pin code, and it will successfully be disabled when you will enter your pin code into most upper box, and after that enter the verification code from email and mobile number into second and third, and at very last you just simply have to paste the code from your Google Authenticator. And after doing this very easy step, your pin code will successfully be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.